Hey guys, here we're going to be doing a unboxing video with Dean White Supremacino here.
This is a fire rescue 5-piece. Joined the elite team on the box. Well, I guess we're gonna join it soon. Alright, there's okay, these are getting really tight now.
I'll uncuff you in a minute.
Could be real, could possibly not.
You're a prisoner.
Badge.
I've got the keys.
He's fat.
Here's the keys right here. Well, I'll uncuff you. I'm broken. Oh no! He broke up. How'd you break my cuffs?
So there's a badge.
Let's test out the axe's durability.
Oh my, wait, oh my, motion ten. Nani?
What is that?
Pepper spray is a fire extinguisher.
I don't believe that the fire extinguisher is in very good condition. Maybe been used before.
Michael, try one of these mustaches.
Real quick. Is this a functioning headset? I'm not getting any signals. So.
Here, Michael, put on the badge.
I've created the ultimate weapon.
Might be dead right now.
What is that?
Here, you're trying a mustache. Here, wait. This is my crap. Give me the gun.
Are you?
Give me my gun. We also have this cool bow and arrow.
I'm a stealth archer in Skyrim. No.
Michael, hurry up. It's not that hard. Bryce, show off the. What else did we get?
I got 10
Show the katana.
I got 10 teeth.
I have a giant tennis ball.
Michael, you want help with the mustache?
No.
Nani?
Wait, where'd the axe go? Give Michael the axe. So Michael's a fireman.
Nani?
Michael, do you need help?
You probably can't see with those prescription glasses on.
The sharpest tool of the shit.
No, you have it upside down, Michael. Michael, you have it upside down. Here, wait, let me get a close up on your face. Look at me, Michael. Look at me. Oh God, you look like a pedophile.
Hey, little kids.
Here you go, Bryce. Here's a mustache.
Nah, I'm dead.
Put the freaking mustache on. Put the mustache on.
Do it early.
Shoot Bryce.
Get the axe.
Shoot him.
You're gonna get the axe.
Oh my move. Nani?
Michael, shoot him. Officer Lewis. Officer Lewis, shoot him. Just let the shot go.
I can't see.
Just let go.
No, you.
Oh man.
Oh no!
This is so crappy.
No.
Here's another arrow. I'm sorry.
It's okay, we have like 5 more, so. This stuff's not supposed to be durable.
Yes, it is supposed to be.
Crap, Michael, did you put on your badge?
No, it doesn't fit, and I can't see, and my face feels sticky.
I think it's part of the glasses. Yeah, the glasses lens came off, or the hands. I don't know.
These are the glasses after the impact.
The arms.
These are the glasses after the impact. Crap. You can't see
So
anything.
you shit your sword?
These glasses are super blurry. Glass vision. Wow, these look nice on the camera. Like looks like you can actually see out of them. Holy crap! Like clean or something, or you can kind of see out of them now. This is vision with glasses. For all you non-glasses people out there. Okay, that'll be the end of the unboxing video. Have a wonderful day. Woo 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 woo!